from the Easter. Let's hear it from the Lucky Heart. In goal, number 1, Petr Cech. Number 2, Branislav Ivanovic. Number 3, Ashley Cole. Number 6, Ricardo Carvalho. Number 8, Frank Lampard. Number 10, Joe Cole. Number 13, Michael Ballack. Number 15, Florent Valuna. Number 20, Deco. Your captain, number 26, John Terry. And number 39, Nicolas Anelka. Goalkeeper substitute tonight. Number 22, Ross Campbell. 18, Yuri